All right, it is on. Okay, what am I doing? Let me show you. I'm cooking some Ralph food. All right, y'all. So, yeah, I got the veggie burger, the Morning Star. It comes with 4. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to eat 4 and save 1 for Ralph. Actually, that don't work that way, does it? Okay, I'm going to eat 2 for now, and then later on I'll eat the other 2. So here's how we're going to do it. I got me some lettuce. I got me some buns. I got some cheese. I cut up some onion. So let me just go ahead and throw this in the pan now. No need to waste any time. Go ahead and get this heated up. Now check this out. Let me show y'all what else I found. This. Here, I'll hold it this way. Okay, it's a dragon fruit mango. This is delicious. And I'm drinking all of it. So I've been drinking out the container. So this is just for me. When it's just for me, I drink out the container. Otherwise, I'll use a cup and share it. Got me some more cinnamon toast crunch for when I want to do something quick. Grab my spatula. Now I'm gonna season it the way I normally season it anyway. Season it just like I do. Treat it just like meat. Yep. Now I heard it was good. I heard about the Morning Star brand of the veggie stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna throw some of this on there. Some good meat seasoning. Throw that on there. Probably put a little bit of this. This is that. Here, let me turn it this way. Throw a little bit of that on there. And a little bit of this. As a matter of fact, I could do that right now. Let me just sprinkle some. All right. Do the same thing with this one. Sprinkle some. And then the cheese. I'm not using actual cheese slices because I found out this works. I can use it for more than one thing, so I just got the shredded cheese because this is good for if I want to make burritos and use this shredded cheese. I can also use this cheese for like a burger or something. It still melts the same, so it doesn't have to be an actual square slice. I do have square cheese too, but that's all right. I'm gonna work it out with this. I'm a genius. am a genius. So I'm gonna work it out with what I got. So let me go ahead and finish cooking this Rizzo food, and we'll chop it up once once it's done. All right, dinner is served. Doing the Rizzo style. Okay, so I got the veggie burger. I got the dragon fruit and mango juice. I got root beer and bear. I just figured the two go together. So yeah, root beer and bear. And I'm gonna go ahead and slam this down. Let me give it the taste test. Let's test it out. All right, y'all, my first time. I see what his problem is. Because we have the same problem now. This is good. This is good. Now, I'm going to start buying the veggie burger. Oh man, this is real good. I like this a whole lot. Riz, we got the same issue. We got veggie issues, bro. This is delicious. I should have cooked them other two. Boy. Yeah, this got a real good taste to it. Whatever they faked it with, they faked it real good. Because that is delicious. Wow. Not just wow. Wow. Delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this. I'm sitting here watching Showtime, watching The Affair. Good show, by the way. You and Johnny killed it. All right, y'all. Perfect was a surprise. I didn't expect y'all to do that, but that was hot. All right, y'all. Peace.